The truth is finally here. Hello again, everyone. Welcome to another Tips, Tricks, and Tools with Marty Runick at Gun PDR Training. I've gotten a lot of requests for making a super sharp whale tail. I'm going to show you how to do that today. First of all, you need a whale tail. I like the extra thick ones if you can find them extra thick. I always put an X bend in mine. I like S bends to keep my knuckles from driving on braces. You can use the thin ones if you want to. I think the medium though, at least medium and even a little bit thicker, do have the sharp tip will last you a little bit longer once you get it ground. Besides the whale tail, you'll need a vise, a coarse cut file, a medium cut file, and a coarse cut diamond file. Okay. Step number one, mount in your vise. You don't want the head protruding too much from the vise because it'll kind of drag on you. Okay. Oh, I did forget one thing. Wear gloves, fellas. You don't want to be slicing your finger on a sharp whale tail. So put your gloves on. Create your coarse whale tail. Hold it parallel with the vise, and hopefully you've got the top mounted parallel with the vise anyway. So hold your flat cut, coarse ground file parallel to the vise and start filing. You can get double cut files if you want. That'll cut in both directions. This is just a single pass, so I'm just letting it glide as I go back and forth. So I'm pushing hard that way, letting it glide as I come back. Let's see. You don't want to ever grind these fellas with an air grinder. That'll heat the steel up too much, even if it doesn't change colors, and it'll lose its temper. Now I'm doing this left-handed, so the camera sees it better. I'm not very good with my left hand, so you have to excuse me if I'm a little bit all over the place here. Okay, you can see we're getting there. It's getting flatter and flatter. Actually, you're gonna have to excuse me. I gotta do this with my right hand. Try to get out of the camera's way. There we go. Okay, you can stop it right about there. So, we've got something like that now, but we're not quite done. And I'm going to mount it a little bit higher in our vise. Like that. We're going to take these ends up to where they form a point, meeting the flat of the top of the whale tail. A little bit more. Almost. Alrighty. Turn it around and do the same thing to the other side. And there we go. Now we're going to take our medium cut file, run that over the top. Just a few passes will do. There we go. And on each side, Then finally we take our coarse cut diamond file. These are very cheap, by the way. And we're going to do the same things, just run it across the top, get a nice polish on it. Good. Okay guys, now for the final step, we're going to run, let me get this just a little bit more square. We're going to run our diamond file only on the face, perfectly parallel with the face from 2 directions on either side. That's going to give us the sharpest point that we can possibly get, all right? So we're going to start over here. Just a few passes is all we'll need. It's good. Sharp enough to make you bleed if you look at it. All right, fellas, that's it. One super sharp whale tail. So a point here, a point there, 1 point here, 1 point there. And obviously you'll be using the top points almost all the time. There you go. Enjoy, hope to make you money.